Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to solve equations using matrix inversion method. Inversion tells me use A inverse. How are we to proceed? First, write the two equations one below the other. 2x plus 3y, keeping the constant in the right, equals to 5. X minus 2y equals to plus 1 goes as minus 1. So when I rewrite the equations, see that x below x, y below y and constants to the right. The next step, we write this as Ax equal to B form. What is that Ax equal to B form? A is a matrix of all the coefficients. What are the coefficients? 2. Here the number 3. Here the no number means I will treat it as 1 and minus 2. What is X? This capital X stands for the variables. Which are the variables? I can say variables or unknowns. Unknowns are X and Y. Write them one below the other. Equals to the right hand side I call as B matrix. Check whether it is correct now. How will you multiply two matrices? Row by column. 2x plus 3y equals to 5. Second row, 1x minus 2y equals to minus 1. So these equations are rewritten using matrix form. When I say Ax equal to B form, my question is what is x and y? That is what is x. So x is equal to the A in the left will come to the right as A inverse B. Remember, we discussed this in the earlier classes. Division is not possible in matrices. So A in the left will go to the right as A inverse. I should not write B A inverse. I will write A is to the left of X. So A inverse should come to the left of B. Understood? Mustn't write B A inverse. I will write A inverse B. Now, my question is to find this X. So, find out A inverse. What is the first step? Determinant A. What is the determinant? 2, 3, 1, minus 2. 2 lines we put. Multiply and subtract. 2 into minus 2 minus 1 into 3. My answer is minus 7. This minus 7 should not be equal to 0. Then only A inverse will exist. The next step, find the adjoint of A. Finding adjoint is a simple procedure. Interchange the main diagonal. Minus 2, 2. The other diagonal, change the symbol. Minus 3, minus 1. My next step is writing A inverse. What is A inverse? 1 by determinant A, adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A is minus 7, adjoint is minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2. I have completed writing the inverse of the matrix A. The next step, I need to go with X. What is X? A inverse B. This is A inverse into B is the RHS, that is 5 minus 1. This minus 1 by 7, let it be out, we shall multiply. First row by first column, minus 2 into 5, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Similarly, second row by first column. Second row, I must write in second row. Minus 1 into 5, 2 into minus 1. Simplify this answer. It is minus 1 by 7 into minus 7 minus 7. Now, x is equal to multiply by minus 1 by 7. That is, minus and minus will be plus. 7 by 7 is 1. Similarly, here, minus and minus will become plus. 7 by 7 is 1. So this implies what is x actually? The two variables. So x represents the first number, y represents the second number. X is 1, y is also 1, and that is the solution. Question number 2, subsection 1. Solve by matrix inversion method. Our first step is to write the equations one below the other. 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 13. 2x plus y minus z equals to 3. X plus 3y minus 5z equal to minus 8. Now we write the form ax equal to b. How to write it? All the coefficients. 3 minus 1, 2. Second row, 2, 1 minus 1. Third row, 1, 3 minus 5 into x, y, z. Now there are three unknowns or variables equals to the right hand side 13, 3 minus 8. My first step is to find x is equal to A inverse B. To find A inverse, first find determinant A. 3 minus 1, 2. 2, 1 minus 1. 1, 3 minus 5. How to expand the determinant? Remember the symbols? Plus, minus, plus. 3 into. Hide the row and column. Minus 5 plus 3. How to multiply? 1 into minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. Again hide the row and column like this. What is left out? Minus 10 plus 1. Plus 2 into. Hide the row and column. We get 6 minus 1. Now my answer is 3 into minus 2 plus 1 into minus 9 plus 2 into 5. That gives me minus 6 minus 9 plus 10, or it is minus 5. Determinant A not equal to 0 implies A inverse exists. My next step to find A cofactor. Cofactor transpose. Remember to put it, and this we call adjoint of A. How to find out these cofactors? So we have put the symbols and now minors. How to find the minor? I am in first row, first column. Hide the first row, hide the first column. What is remaining? 1 minus 1, 3 minus 5. Similarly, I am in first row, second column. Hide first row, second column. What is left out? 2 minus 1, 1 minus 5. First row, third column. Hide it like this. Now what is left out? 2, 1, 1, 3. Second row, first column. So second row, first column. What is left out? Minus 1, 2, 3, minus 5. Second row, second column. Hide it like this. 3, 2, 1, minus 5. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. 3 minus 1, 1, 3. Now third row, first column. Minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. Third row, second column. 3, 2, 2, minus 1. Third row, third column. 3 minus 1, 2, 1. To proceed, we again put the symbols plus, minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus, the whole transpose. Now, multiply minus 5 minus 3. So it becomes plus 3. Minus 10 minus again minus 1. So plus 1. 6 minus 1. 5 minus 6. Minus 15 minus 2. 9 plus 1. 1 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 4. 3 plus 2. Remember, determinant is multiply, in between I put subtract symbol. So 1 minus 2. But already there is a minus, I will put it as plus symbol. So remember the expansion properly. Now simplify this answer and write the whole transpose. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A is minus 5, adjoint is minus 2, 1 minus 1, 9 minus 17, 7, 5 minus 10, 5. Now I need to find out what is X. X is equal to A inverse B. That is minus 1 by 5, minus 2, 1 minus 1, 9 minus 17, 7, 5 minus 10, 5 into the right hand side. 13, 3 minus 8. As we multiply first row by first column. Minus 2 into 13, 1 into 3, minus 1 into minus 8. Similarly, second row by first column. 9 into 13, minus 17 into 3, 7 into minus 8. Third row by first column. 5 into 13, minus 10 into 3, 5 into minus 8. Simplify and divide by 5. As we simplify and divide by minus 5, we get 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 15 by minus 5 is 3. 10 by minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 by minus 5 is 1. Take and write the answer. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to minus 2. And Z is equal to 1. So given a problem of 3 unknowns, we find out the determinant, the adjoint. Adjoint is nothing but cofactor transpose. Simplify the answer. Then A inverse is 1 by determinant A adjoint of A. Followed by X. X is equal to A inverse B. Multiplication is by rows by columns. As I simplify, first number tells the value of X, second the value of Y, and third the value of Z, and that is the answer. Question number 3. Find the rate of commission payable on A, B, C per unit sold. Use matrix inversion method. We are given a table like this in which January, February, March, 3 months sales are given for 3 products A, B and C. See, in January, he is selling 9 of A, 10 of B, 2 of C. And the commission given is 800. Like this, you have to understand. What is the question? Rate of commission on A, B and C. Whatever they ask you, find. Call that as X, Y, Z. So we assume X to be rate of commission on A and Y for B and Z for C. So that will be the first line to be written. Let X, Y, Z be the rate of commission on A, B and C. Now, how will you write the equations? For this X I am putting, for this Y and for this Z. So, how will you frame the equation? 9X plus 10Y plus 2Z equals to 800. Similarly, 15X plus 5Y plus 4Z equals to 900. 6X plus 10Y plus 3Z equals to 850. Once I know the 3 equations, I can easily frame that AX equal to B form. Don't confuse this A and B with this. This is given in the question. This is our usual formula. AX equals to B implies X is equal to A inverse B. So having written this format, let us proceed to find out A inverse. How to go for A inverse? The very first step is determinant A. Remember the symbols? Plus, minus, plus. So we have 9 into. Hide the row and column. What is left out? 15 minus 14. Minus 10 into. Again hide the row and column. 15 into 3. 45 minus 24. Plus 2 into. Hide the row and column. 150 minus 13. Remember, we multiply in between minus symbol. Simplify the answer. And as you multiply, minus 225 minus 210 plus 240. Reduce the answer as minus 195. We say determinant A not equal to 0 implies A inverse exists. My very next step to find out the cofactor matrix, or to say adjoint. What is adjoint procedure? Put the big set braces. Remember the symbols? Plus, minus, plus. Now that you have done many problems, you can try these steps yourself and check whether you are able to fill the terms. Try to write the terms and check whether you are getting the same answer. Now what is the next step? Multiply, subtract. So 15 minus 14, 45 minus 24, 150 minus 13, 30 minus 20, 27 minus 12, 90 minus 60. Like that you follow the next line. Remember to put the whole transpose. So as we have filled the cofactors, put the transpose of it, which we call adjoint of A. And as we simplify, we get adjoint of A equals minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105. Now we need to find out A inverse, which is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A is minus 195, adjoint is minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105. The very next step, find out X, which is A inverse B. Minus 1 by 195 into A inverse, that answer, into B matrix. What is B matrix actually? The right hand side, 800, 900, 815. How will you multiply? Rows by columns. First row by first column, second row by first column, third row by first column. So we have multiplied and filled here. Simplify this. Divide by minus 195, and sometimes your answers may be in decimals also. Many times we expect whole numbers, but these are rate of commission, so they can be in decimals also. This is X, Y and Z. So take and write the answer. Rate of commission for X 17.95 rupees, for Y 43.08 rupees, and for Z 103.85 rupees. So this problem we are using matrix inversion method. The main formula is write the given equations as Ax equal to B and X is equal to A inverse B. Find A inverse, for which adjoint is cofactor transpose. And once I know A adjoint, divide by the determinant. That answer, multiply with the RHS, that is B matrix. and whatever we get, first is x, second is y, third is z, and that's the answer. Question number 4. Prices of 3 commodities A, B and C are X, Y, Z per unit. P purchases, sells. See, in this question, we are given two things. Purchasing is given, selling is also given. When you purchase, you have to give money from your pocket. So, purchases, treat it as negative because you have to give money. But when you are writing sells, you are selling and money comes into your pocket. So selling you treat as positive, purchasing you treat as negative. Now wherever A comes, I will put X per unit. Wherever B comes, it is Y, and wherever C comes, I have to put Z. Wherever purchasing, it is negative. Wherever is selling, it is positive. So as we read the problem, P purchases 4 units of C. So purchases tells me minus 4Z. 3 units of A. So 3 of X. 5 units of B. So 5 of Y. So selling I put positive. Purchasing I put negative. The last line tells me, in the process, PQR are earning 6,000, 5,000, 13,000. So this is 6,000 for the first person. Now we go on to Q. Q purchases. Purchases tells me negative. So minus 3. B tells me Y. So remember, for A, B, C, we put X, Y, Z as the prices per unit. Q sells 2 of A, sells, so plus 2x. 1 of C, so plus 1 into Z equals to, what is Q's earning? 5,000. The third one, R, purchases 1 unit of A, so 1 of X. Sells, purchases tells me negative symbol. Sells 4 of B, so 4 into Y, and 6 of C, 6 into Z. In the process, he is getting 13,000. First of all, rearrange. You mustn't keep X, Y, Z in a mismatching order. First, let me write X, then Y, then Z. So, which will come first? 3X plus 5Y minus 4Z is 6,000. Similarly, 2x minus 3y plus 1z equals to 5,000, and minus 1x plus 4y plus 6z equals to 13,000. Now as I write in Ax equal to B form, x is equal to A inverse B. How will you write Ax equal to B form? I can say 3, 5 minus 4, 2 minus 3, 1, minus 1, 4, 6 into x, y, z equals to 6,000, 5,000, 13,000. So this is my answer. We will go on to finding determinant A. Determinant A, we know how to expand now. Try it on your own. Check whether you get this answer. As you simplify, you get determinant A is minus 151. When determinant A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. Now we have to fill up the adjoint, the whole transpose. Let us remember. Put plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Fill the determinants. How do you do? Hide the row and column. Minus 3, 1, 4, 6. Hide the row and column. 2, 1, minus 1, 6. Hide the row and column. 2, minus 3, minus 1, 4. Fill the remaining yourself. Check your answers. See whether you are able to fill up like this way. Now adjoint is the whole transpose. And expand this. Minus 18 minus 4. 12 plus 1. 8 minus 3. 30 plus 16. 18 minus 4. 12 plus 5. Fill the remaining like that. Do not use different colors in the notebook since you are viewing in the video. It is given in colors for you to be clarified. But when you are writing, try to use same colors. Now as we simplify, we get adjoint, the matrix, the whole transpose. Transpose tells me interchange rows and columns. So minus 22, minus 46, minus 7, minus 13, 14, minus 11, 5, minus 17, minus 19. The next step is proceed with A inverse. A inverse is 1 by determinant A adjoint of A. 1 by determinant is minus 151. Adjoint copy from here. And as I know, to divide by 151, this determinant and the adjoint, we have to multiply with the right hand side. Fill up. We multiply and you can use calculator. First row by first column. Minus 22 into 6000, minus 46 into 5000, minus 7 into 13,000. Minus 13 into 6000, 14 into 5000, minus 11 into 13,000. Same way third row by first column. And I simplify, use calculator and write. Divide by minus 151, we get 3000, 1000, 2000. The first number tells me price per unit of A. The second is price per unit of B. And the third is price per unit of C. Take and write in the sentence, price per unit of A, B, C is X rupees 3000, Y rupees 1000 and Z rupees 2000. So these are simple problems, but what is very important is when I say it is purchasing, I must put negative value. And when I say it is selling, I must put positive value. So remember to frame the equations. Write X below X, Y below Y and Z below Z. Proceed with AX equal to B format. Then X is A inverse B. Determinant A, adjoint, remember to put the transpose. Then after finding adjoint, find A inverse, then X. X is A inverse into B. As I multiply, we get the various answers which we divide by 151 and get X is 3000, Y is 1000 and Z is 2000. Take and write the answers in statements. Question number 5. The sum of three numbers is 20. We multiply the first by 2, add the second and subtract the third, we get 23. We multiply the first by 3 and add second and third to it, we get 46. Find the numbers. So this line tells me let the numbers be. How many numbers? 3 numbers. So call them as X, Y and Z. Now from the first line, sum of the three numbers is 20. Adding it all, I get 20. If we multiply the first by 2, first is X, multiply by 2. Add the second, add Y. And subtract the third, minus Z, equals to 23. And the third one, we multiply the first by 3. First is X, multiply by 3. And add second and third to it. Add second, add third to it. We get 46. Now from this, let me write AX equal to B form 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 1 into X, Y, Z equals to 20, 23, 46. Now writing this in AX equal to B form tells me X is equal to A inverse B. Proceeding with determinant A. It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 3, 1, 1. As we expand the determinant, check whether you get this answer. Determinant A equals minus 4. That is not equal to 0 tells me A inverse exists. The next step, find out adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, we put the big matrix symbol, the whole transpose. Remember to write it plus, minus, plus. Second row, minus, plus, minus. Third row, plus, minus, plus. Try to fill the determinants yourself. As we simplify, we get the adjoint, the whole transpose. So check each and every step in your notebook. See whether you are able to arrive at in the same pattern. As we try to simplify this answer, adjoint, we are able to write like this way. And adjoint, as we simplify, we proceed on to A inverse. The formula 1 by determinant A, adjoint of A. 1 by determinant A is minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1. We proceed on to X, which is nothing but A inverse B. That is 1 by minus 4 into 2, 0, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1 into the right hand side 20, 23, 46. Multiply and divide by minus 4. As we multiply and simplify, let us divide by minus 4. Minus 52 by minus 4, 13. Minus 8 by minus 4, 2. Minus 20 by minus 4 is 5. So we take and write this is X, Y, Z. The three numbers are, what are the three numbers? 13, 2, 5, and that is the question. So it's a simple question wherein they give add and subtract and multiplied by. Multiplied means put in 2. Add plus, subtract minus. Whatever values are given, fill the equations. And once you know the equations, Ax equal to B form, determinant A, adjoint, remember to put the transpose. It is cofactor transpose. And once I go on to adjoint, find out A inverse and then X, take and write the answer according to the question. Find the numbers means take and write the three numbers. Find the salary of each type of staff. Question number 6. Almost the same pattern like the other problems. So I will give you the hints. Try and work it out yourself. The question is salary of each type. Given A, B, C are the three types. Call the salary of each to be X, Y and Z. How will you write the equation? Multiply by X, by Y, by Z, and this is the RHS. So read the equation. It is 4X plus 2Y plus 3Z equals to 4,900. 3X plus 3Y plus 2Z equal to 4,500. And the third equation, 4X plus 3Y plus 4Z equal to 5,800. Ax equal to B form, we write 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. The same thing only will come. 4, 3, 4 into X, Y, Z gives me the RHS 4,900, 4,500, 5,800. Find out Ax equal to B form, which tells me X is equal to A inverse B. To go with determinant A, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. Expand the determinant putting symbols plus, minus, plus. Find out the answer. As you get the determinant is 7. Take and write. Determinant A not equal to 0 implies A inverse exists. The next step, adjoint. Put the brackets, plus, minus, plus symbols. Put the whole transpose. Fill up the minus. Check whether you are right. fill the minus, check whether you are right. 12 minus 6, 12 minus 8, 9 minus 12, 8 minus 9, 16 minus 12, 12 minus 8 and proceed. Find out the transpose, which is nothing but the adjoint. So we get 6, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 4, minus 5, 1, 6. The whole transpose. Find out the adjoint and proceed with A inverse. 6 minus 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 4, minus 5, 1, 6. The whole transpose gives me the adjoint 6, 1, minus 5. Minus 4, 4, 1. And minus 3, minus 4, 6. We proceed on to A inverse, which is 1 by determinant A, adjoint of A. 1 by determinant value is 7, adjoint is 6, 1, minus 5, minus 4, 4, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 6. Now, x is equal to A inverse B. X is equal to 1 by 7, 6, 1, minus 5, minus 4, 4, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 6 into the RHS 4,900, 4,500, 5,800. As we multiply, it is first row by first column. First row, 6 into 4,900. It is 29,400. 1 into 4,500 minus 5 into 5,800. Second row by first column, minus 4 into 4,900 plus 4 into 4,500 plus 1 into 5,800. Third row by first column, it is minus 3 into 4,900 minus 4 into 4,500 6 into 5,800. As we simplify the answer, x is equal to 1 by 7 into 4,900, 4,200, 2,100, which is equal to 4,900 by 7, 4,200 by 7, 2,100 by 7. So we get 700, 600 and 300 from this salary of A, B and C are x is equal to rupees 700, y is equal to rupees 600 and z is equal to rupees 300, and that is the answer.